member of the Communication Information.
Ni kamiti ya bunge UKINYANIRIA iria igire na gikaro gia kugeria guteithura na ndugamano gatagati ga kambuni nene cia ukinyaniria guku bururi-ini kumana na mendekithia ma thirikari ma kunyihia mbeca iria irihagio hari uhuri wa thimu gatagati ka huthiria raini itiganite undu uria uthiite na mbere na gutungia uregani. Kambuni ya SAFARICOM niyo yuma ya mbere kuheana mawoni mayo kurireganite na ikinya o riothe ria kunyihia marihi maya. Riu SAFARICOM ikiuga undu uyu waya kurehe hathara nginyagia hari ungania wa magoti.
The effect of the recent review of MTR has affected our voice business revenue, which had 3 billion decline when annualized. Subsequently, the government would have lost approximately 1 billion Kenya shillings in taxes. It's expected the government to lose more if the MTR in the current MTR, and will only be worse if significant reductions are incurred.
Kuringana na murugamiri munene wa kambuni ya SAFARICOM Peter Ndegwa, SAFARICOM ikoretwo igithitie mamilioni ma mbeca gutwara mitambo yayo nginyagia icagi-ini iria kuraya na uthii wa nambere, na uguo kigina giki gikoretwo gikihuthika guthinga mahoro na hathara iria yumanaga na uthondeki wa mitambo eno.
It's noteworthy that in countries with low MTR there is no incentive to invest in network coverage, especially in rural areas, which I've already said. If you are not able to recover your costs, you tend to focus on areas that are commercially viable from a customer perspective, whilst in the rural areas, the people that live in the rural areas generally are net receivers of course.
No urugamiriri wa kambuni cia motungata ma thimu cia AIRTEL, TELKOM Kenya na Jamii Telecommunication ciahada kunyita mbaru kunyihio kwa marihi maya maria ciugite makoretwo o makiguna kambuni ya SAFARICOM.
In our opinion, the current spectrum charging regime is out of date with technological changes and negatively impact on the investments.
And often it is not us, but the dominant player who has appealed consistently and continuously to the studies and the outcomes that have been independently undertaken.
Kurigana na murugamiri munene wa kambuni ya TELKOM Kenya Mugo Kibati, mukenya wa kawaida niwe ukuguneka kunyihirio marihi ma thimu wona undu uyu wakinyanira.
What are the actual costs we're talking about? And that yielded a 0.12 cents. But rising out of the appeal that came from the dominant player, it was set at 0.58.
As industry, we dropped our MTR rates. Who gained most? It is SAFARICOM. The leading operator grew their traffic by 30%.
Kambuni cikagweta kunyihio kwa marihi ma thimu ta undu ungiteithiriria hanene ona hari uthii wa nambere wa bururi. Riu makiuga ni ihinda undu uyu ukinyanirio kuona ukoretwo ugitiririo kwa ihinda ria hakuhi miaka 6.
What will happen is that when it's lower, people will access, people will use, it will broaden the base, and ultimately there will not be any loss of revenue.
Kamiti ino itanyite guthii na mbere na kuoya mawoni ma honge itiganite cia githirikari na itare cia githirikari na muthie heane mendekithia mayo maria magiheana mwerekero wa kana marihi ma kuhura thimu gatagati ka huthiria raini itare cia kambuni imwe ni maguthie thi kana ca. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV, Thirikari ni Bataro wa Mwangi.